In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat avatar in HubSpot Chatflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which setting controls the image your visitors see in your live chat, so your brand or team shows up the way you want. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct portal and that you have permission to edit chat flows. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step to proceed. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and locate the Service section. From there, select Chatflows. This takes you to a list of all the chat flows in your portal. If you manage many chat flows, you can scan by name or use the page's search and filters to quickly find the one you want to adjust. Hover over the chat flow where you want to add or update the chat avatar and click Edit. This opens the chat flow editor. Give the page a moment to load. The settings are organized into panels to help you find what you need. In the editor, go to the display area. This is where you control how the chat appears to visitors on your site. Click Choose Chat Avatar. The avatar you set here appears in places like the chat launcher and the header of the chat window, so it's worth choosing an image that's clear, consistent with your brand, and easy to recognize at small sizes. You'll see options for how the avatar is determined. Select specific users and teams if you want the chat to display the photo of chosen reps or a team. This is great for a human touch, but make sure those users have profile photos set in HubSpot. Choose custom branding if you prefer a logo or a dedicated bot image. Upload a square, high-quality image so it looks crisp on all screens. Pick Contact Owner if you want the avatar to change based on who owns the visitor's record, which helps personalize returning conversations. After you've made your selection and confirmed the image or users, click Save. Wait for the confirmation that your changes are saved. If your website is already running the chat widget, refresh a page where the chat flow is active to see the updated avatar live. It can take a minute to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. That's it. Your chat avatar is set, and your chat flow now looks the way you intended.